Colonial hands, a stolen land, breaking laws with iron brand. Children dying on live stream screens, while Zionist laughter shatters dreams. West Bank shakes, Qatar is warned, Syria's maimed, Iran is threatened, falsely blamed, Tunisia's next, the world can see. No more silence, no more fear, the world awakens, justice clear, fists unite from every shore, the Zionist plan will rise no more. The last move, their final fight, darkness dies before the light, the world will rise, fists held high, the Zionist reign is doomed to die. Missiles fall where children